इस सैटरडे होने वाला है उमर नरमागो उमर इस सैटरडे होने वाला उमर वरना why the fuck I fumbled his name like Joe Rogan, bro.
Umar Nurmagomedov, ladies and gentlemen.
इस सैटरडे होने वाला उमर नरमागोमेदोव वर्सेस सॉन्ग युडोंग. I did it right. Umar Nurmagomedov versus Song Yudong, UFC Macau, and we are going to predict all the fight on the main card. First of all, the main event, Umar Nurmagomedov versus Song Yudong. Now this is very tough fight to pick because बहुत evenly match है दोनों, like in a skill set, not evenly match, but like crazy striking of Song Yudong, heavy power shot, good leg kicks, you know, खुद का take down अच्छा है. Whenever he goes, somebody throw leg kicks, he reaches. And Umar Nurmagomedov has a good lead leg kicks like body, leg, head, so he has a good that. But one thing I'll say that Umar Nurmagomedov and Song Yudong का similar opponent है Corey Sandhagen and Figgy. Song Yudong submit कर दिया था Figgy को and Umar won decision against Figgy, and so does हरा दिया था Corey ने Yudong को, but Umar ने जीत दिया था against Corey. Now this fight will come down to who will control the takedowns, like a ground game. I feel like Umar Nurmagomedov ने बहुत अच्छा improvement करा है अपने wrestling में. He has a really good, if you'll watch and compare Corey Sandhagen versus Umar versus Mario Batista versus Umar, then you'll understand कि काफी अच्छे तरीके से अपने wrestling पे काम कर रहा है उमर ने. He has a good sweep, foot trips, inside leg sweep trips. He got like really good. And Song Yudong also has a good sprawl, खुद का अच्छा takedown. But if you'll watch Yudong fight against Peter Yan or Figgy or anybody, he pull guard, और जब भी guard में फंसता है, then he या Corey Sandhagen as well, then ये अपने he freezes in the guard and अपने back पे कर रहता है. No urgency whatsoever to get up. अगर side wide में रहता है, then he has an urgency to get up and this and that. But I feel like in this fight he will try to do that. But Umar has a good wrestling. He has a good body lock. He has a good control, body head, ground and pound, not crazy, but he has a good submission defense, जो कि उसने फिगी को submit कर दिया था. I think Umar has a good submission defense. We saw against Mario Batista. So I feel like this fight will come down to who will control the ground. And I feel like Umar has a skill set to control the ground. But don't get me wrong, on feet, I don't want Umar to trade with Yudong. One punch and Umar Nurmagomedov khatam. Bro, उस तरीके से, because Song Yudong throws everything, he throw kitchen sink at you, you know what I'm saying, and he blades a lot, बहुत तेजी से अंदर आता है, बहुत explosive है, and he's like much more bigger than Umar, I guess, like not in height wise, but physically he's much more bigger, and he has a good chin. Umar के पास chin अच्छा नहीं है, we all kind of know that, so that's why I don't want Umar to trade on the feet, because you know what will happen. And I know Umar has a khud ka wrestling. I think he'll use his striking to set up wrestling. I said that right. Set up wrestling, or else agar ye fighting standing rehti hai, I cannot see Umar Nurmagomedov winning, because Song Yudong will catch him, and I cannot trust Umar's chin, bro. देखो skill set में I can trust Umar, like he can stand and bang with Song Yudong. He has skill set, but I cannot trust the chin of Umar. Like like he got dropped by, what do you call it, Batista, Al Makhan, so, or flyweight. So that's the thing. And Umar Yudong के पास में crazy power है. And then if you talk about the skill set, Umar has good lead leg kicks जो body पे भी land करता है, and he go up top on the leg. And Yudong good leg kicks he got अपने उसका भी है, but he throws a lot of right hands, meaty hooks, I mean, like ऐसा करके. And I think he can catch Umar, but he has a good head movement, so does Umar, पर awkward तरीके से पीछे जाता Umar. I don't want him to, I just don't want him to fight on the feet, or else this will be a disaster for Umar Nurmagomedov. And I think this is a tough fight to pick, to be very honest. And I'm picking Umar Nurmagomedov just because I feel like Yudong is little bit not, he don't show urgency when he's laying on the back. And I think Umar has अपना skill set जिस तरीके से वो अपना बढ़ा रहा है wrestling में, I think he will control him. And this will be, don't get me wrong, this will be a close fight. I will pick Umar to beat him 48-47 decision. And Umar, bro, please don't trash talk कि भाई you are an easy fight, Yudong, and मैं मेरा आपसे fight करूँगा, because it's not about me, it's all about all Dagestan. Shut the fuck up, or else you'll get humbled, brother. brother, you kid, don't act like Habib, don't act like Islam. You have to prove first, okay? You already proving, just don't act, just prove, because this fight is the toughest fight for Umar Nurmagomedov, because Song Yudong can strike, he can wrestle, he can sprawl, he has good anti wrestling as well. So I cannot, I Umar cannot afford any kind of bullshit in this fight, or easy. I hope you're taking it seriously and you'll go in the a fight like that, bro, or else that's a doomsday. This guy will be, doomsday for you, And one more thing I'll touch on the feet, Yudong can land right hands, जो कि उमर नरमागोमेदोव रहता है राइट हैंड लैंड करने के लिए, लाइक ही इज अवेलेबल देयर जब भी। पर उमर नरमागोमेदोव खुद भी एक बहुत अच्छा काउंटर स्ट्राइकर है। सॉन्ग यडोंग जब भी हमेशा ओवर थ्रो करता है, मे बी ही कैन पुल एंड काउंटर, जो कि कोरी सैंडहैगन के फाइट में, बतीस्ता के फाइट में, डेविसन फिगरेटो के फाइट में, वी ऑल सॉ दैट। इवन मिराब के फाइट में ही हैज अ गुड पुल राइट हैंड काउंटर, एंड देन चिन लेफ्ट व्हाट यू कॉल इट, लीड लेग अप करके देन स्विच करके स्टांस जो लैंड करता है राइट हैंड। ही हैज दैट काइंड ऑफ क्राफ्टी शॉट, बट आई रियली डोंट वांट हिम टू फाइट on the feet, because it's a tough fight and I cannot trust Umar Nurmagomedov. Again I fumbled. Umar Nurmagomedov's chin. Moving on to the card, Yan Shalnan versus Dennis Gomez. No one gives a shit, but still I'll tell you, I'm picking Yan to win this fight because she has a reach advantage, good boxing. I think she has a good wrestling a little bit. This girl has a good jiu-jitsu, I guess so, but I think Yan Shalnan will beat the shit out of him. Next fighter, Kaya Sakura versus what the fuck? Sorry, I fucked his name. Ori Kling, Kaya Sakura. I think Kaya Sakura will beat this guy, this Kari Kling, Lang Ling, Kuling Ling, whatever Ling he is. Fuck man, what the fuck? I just said Ling. Okay, Ling. Chinese sir, please. Can you please a normal naam rakh sakte ho? Because we Indian, when we pronounce this kind of name, then we see, you know what I'm saying? You got my point, buddy? So, don't do that, buddy. Don't do that. It's funny for us. Kaya Sakura has a good power. He knocked Smother Man. जैसे कि let's talk UFC, let's talk fighting बोलता है ना, Smoother Man नहीं, Smother Man को नॉकआउट कर दिया था. He has a good hand, good speed. One thing I'm concerned, this Ling guy has like sometimes he clinches, but I think Kai Sakura has that kind of, इतना तो anti wrestling होगा that he'll come out from the clinch, because he's very hittable and Kai Sakura has a nasty power to knock him out. Moving on to the card, Alex Perez versus Samudraji. Now this is very important fight for me, not because I like this fight, because ये फाइट से मैंने इस फाइट कार्ड से मैंने फाइट प्रिडिक्शन स्टार्ट किया था. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट फाइट आई प्रिडिक्टेड ऑन दिस चैनल, एंड बॉय ओ बॉय दिस फाइट वेंट लाइक समुद्र जी को कप पे लैंड कर दिया था एलेक्स पेरेज ने, एंड समुद्र जी ने एलेक्स पेरेज ने ऑस्कर लेवल विनिंग एक्टिंग करा था. माय बॉल हर्ट, जबकि अच्छे से लैंड भी नहीं हुआ था. एंड वन मोर थिंग, दिस समुद्र जी इज अ टिबेटन गाय, एंड यू ऑल नो माय एक्स इज टिबेटन. So fuck this guy. No, I don't hate Tibetan community, but that girl, I hate her, bro. I hate her. I hate you, buddy. You ugly piece of shit. Anyway, moving on. I feel like Samudraji ne knockdown bhi kara tha. I think he'll beat Alex Perez. I'm not gonna pick just because he's Tibetan. He has a good striking. He has a good power. I think he'll beat the shit out of Alex Perez and he'll knock him out. Moving on to the card. I don't give a shit who the fuck. This Belal Hassan वही बंदा है जिसने अभी मृदुल साइकिया को हराया था, एंड दोनों अनडिफीटेड है. बट आई फील लाइक बेलाल हसन हैज अ गुड बॉक्सिंग, गुड किक बॉक्सिंग, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, रियली फास्ट स्पीड, रियली नास्टी पावर, गुड स्टाइल. आई डोंट नो, आई डिडंट सॉ द रेसलिंग फ्रॉम हिम. मैंने अभी दिखा भी नहीं उसका फाइट. आई एम जस्ट ब्लाइंड प्रेडिक्टिंग जस्ट बिकॉज व्हाट एवर आई सॉ. But I feel like Belal Hassan has a good power to beat him. I think he will knock him out. But this is this is a short notice fight as well, so I don't know uska kya effect padega. I don't know about that, but on a skill for skill, Belal Hassan has a better skill set, and I think he'll take his something Nilsson ka le lega, and he will beat Nilsson. He'll knock him out probably. That's it for this fight card. This is very close, guys. This is very close. I was so dicey to pick kisko pick karu. I was watching a lot of videos, फिर भी कोई clarity नहीं आ पा रहा था. It's a coin flip who will win, you know what I'm saying. Umar Nurmagomedov has a skill set slightly edge just because of the ground game he has, but Yudong is bhi acha hai, you know what I'm saying. That's it for UFC Macau, guys. What do you guys really think? Who you got in this fight? Meko comment karke batana. This is very close matchup. I'm not siding, like taking side of anybody, man. close matchup. I hope Umar and Song, both of them are prepared, and Umar especially because he's talking about Dagestan ke liye fight karna hai meko, and easy fight Song. So I think he should and prepared ho because all this shit talking, अगर octagon के अंदर में tough fight होने लगता है, then maybe you'll melt buddy. And it's a tough fight, 5 rounder. Song Yudong has less cardio. Umar, so does Umar. उतना crazy cardio भी नहीं है. So I don't know man. It's a close fight. I'm still siding toward Umar. आप किसको pick करो मेरे को comment करके बताना. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. I'm fumbling just because it's 3:27 a.m. in the morning, night, or whatever it is, man. Till the next video. Peace out.
Flash is fast as fuck, boy.